There is feet at Waikiki Beach, surrounded by pigeons. And these pigeons are not afraid of Wendy and I. That's what happens when you give them a treat or two. They're just all over you. The whole time you sit on this beach, they are they do scratch more than the doves though, I'll tell you that. Anyway, it's another beautiful day in Waikiki, isn't it? Look at these pigeons, they're everywhere. And there's minor birds too. Look at that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at this one on me here. Okay. Okay, let's make yourself at home there, Mr. Pigeon. On my tummy.
Oh, that feels good.
Oh, it's hot. Diamond head.